Hi there, everyone. We're now on our exercise video on the scientific notation, the one that I promised you. So here I have prepared 5 items which we will answer for our scientific notation exercises. So what we are asked to do is write the following in scientific notation. So a simple recall in scientific notation, maybe we can write it here. It should be in the form of A times 10, A times 10 raised to n. And we have case 1 and case 2 in which we'll simply recall from here. So here we have our first number. We have 45 billion. I think, yeah, 45 billion. So we want to write this in scientific notation for the ease of writing. So since we cannot see any decimal point, it is assumed that we have a decimal point over here. Okay, and we'll be going to the left. Okay, going to the left, and yeah, we'll be counting the steps that we'll be doing. So we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, so our n, if you want, we can write this here. N is equal to 10 so that we won't forget. So we have 4.5. This is going to be equal to 4.5 times 10 raised to 10. Okay, so this is a scientific notation of how to write 45 billion. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is positive because it's going to the left. Okay, it's going to the left. So this is our answer for number 1. Okay, let's proceed to number 2 and number 3 this time. Maybe this time you can pause the video if you can, then try to answer on your own, and then I'm going to answer it right after you answer it. Okay, so if you're ready, kindly answer it. You can pause the video for that. Okay, so after pausing the video, I believe you have the answer now. So for number 1, there's no decimal point still. Let's assume that it is found here, and we'll move going to the left. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So our n is equal to 5. Remember that. N is equal to 5. So it's positive 5 since it's going to the left. And we will write the answer as 7.34 times 10 raised to 5. Okay, so that's our answer for number 2. 7.34 times 10 raised to 5. Now for number 3, it's quite easy. We just need to achieve the value of a. So a should be between 1 and 999, 9.999 rather. So we'll just move 1 here, in this part. So our n is, since we're going to the right, so n is equal to minus 1. So therefore, we can write this in scientific notation as 2.6. Actually, if you're going to have this kind of data, it's not necessary to write that in scientific notation. But hey, this is just an example. Okay, raised to minus 1. So for our number 3, we have 2.6 times 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, so this is not really a very big number, but just testing you if you know how to convert this one into scientific notation. Okay, so this should be your answer for number 1 and number 2 and number 3. Okay, let's proceed to number 4, which is really a small number right now, or number 4. Okay, so the decimal point is quite visible. It's over here. So we need to move it to get the value of a between 1 to 9.999. So we're going to the right, obviously. So we're going to have 1, oops, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So since we're going to the right, it's going to be minus 7. And then let's convert this one to scientific notation. We have 8.12, 8.12 times 10 raised to, we have our n here, raised to minus 7 or negative 7 if you want. Okay, so this is our number 4. And yeah, that's our number 4. 8.12 times 10 raised to negative 7. Okay, it's your turn for number 5 this time. So try to convert this to scientific notation. You can pause the video for that now. Okay, so let's try to answer this. This is quite simple. We want to make this in scientific notation. Here's our decimal point here, and we want to move it 2 steps going to the right to achieve the value of a between 1 to 9.99. So our n is minus 2 since we went to the right. And this can be rewritten as 3.52 times 10 raised to minus 2. Okay, and this is our answer for number 5. Hope you got it right. All right. Okay. So yeah, that composes our exercises for the scientific notation. Hopefully you learned something from that. Again, I have provided you 5 examples or 5 exercises for scientific notation. So yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you will like this video and the rest of the videos in scientific notation and the rest in my channel, hopefully. And kindly subscribe. Okay, you will really learn a lot in mathematics here. So thank you very much and see you soon.